Hey, Paul Akers here with a fantastic new product. One of my favorite products is called the $10 million stick. It was developed by a cabinet maker in Fort Collins, Colorado, Greg Glebe, Xylem Design. Basically, what it does is it keeps these fingers right here on your hand and not gobbled up by that saw. So the reason we called it the $10 million stick is because we believe that every one of these fingers are worth $1 million a piece minimum. And we want to make sure they stay there and nothing happens to them. So this little tool is going to keep that from happening. Let me explain. You're walking up to your miter box saw and you're going to make a cut. That's not a problem, right? You have plenty of clearance like this. But let's say you want to cut a small piece of wood and you're going to start getting your hands in there like this. Well, that's just not acceptable. So what we've done is we've developed a nice little stick right here that if you put it there like that and you put pressure down, you're now holding that piece of wood in there and your hand is nowhere near the wood. The cool thing is, you want to cut even a smaller piece, it's not a problem. Now, the way it works is we have a rubber pad on the back and on these 2 points right here on the tripod. You can actually reverse it if you want to put more purchase area on there and support it right like this. At the end of the day, it's a phenomenal tool that's going to basically keep your fingers from getting cut off. This is a safety tool that I think every miter box saw in the world should have close by. Let me show you one other thing that's so cool. Now, you're going to cut a little piece of wood like this. We've all done it. Look, I've been doing this for 30 years. We've all got our fingers in there and said, okay, I'm going to hang on really tight and make sure nothing happens. But we've all got the kickback too. Look how cool this is. To be able to put that in there with confidence, hold that down, you're pushing down there, and you don't have to think for one moment, man, am I going to take a chance on getting cut? Those days are over with the $10 million stick. This might be one of the best investments you've ever made for your shop.